What's up, guys? It's your girl Marja, and come build a fireplace with me. Woo! First things first, let's remove that border. We're ready to start by making the first piece of wood thing, the frame. Alright guys, a little tired. So, went ahead and went outside, put together this framing that's gonna hold fireplace. This part right here is gonna hold the fireplace. Fireplace is gonna sit here. I had to move my fireplace up because it was almost on the ground, so I moved it up about 14 inches, and then I had to move it up another 4 inches to cover the electrical outlet, because I'm not trying to move the electrical outlet. No! This is DIY, but we have to know our parameters. We have to know our capabilities, and that's beyond me. All right? I will say this. It's best if when you're gonna do your framing, you do your framing first. Not on the wall, but build it outside or build it away from the wall and then come kind of bring it in and put it together. I chose to do opposite. I chose to sit up here and build it on the wall. But I was scared. I was like, oh, I was freaking out. I don't want to build it outside. Yeah, learn the hard way. So the frame on the left and right, we build on the wall. Everything else we're building outside and then bringing it inside and placing it. So as you can see now, I'm ready to nail these two together. Boom, and then it'll set right up there, and that'll be the covering for that. All right, let's get it. Level this and make sure everything looks good. Oh, yeah, buddy. We in the middle. So this is where we are so far. Hey guys, so what we're doing now, I had my dad drop off some drywall, so what we're gonna do is we're going to be hanging the drywall. As you can see, we got 3/4 of our frame already up. Boop, 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 boop. Hang some drywall. Wah! First time, just pull and toggle on this. This is okay. So this is where we were. We had the frames, top, bottom, nice and secure. Pull on that. So this is the frame at the bottom of where it's gonna, the fireplace is gonna go. Phase one. Woo! What's up, guys? So my GoPro died. So we're here with the iPhone, yay! This is where we are so far, okay? Now we're hanging drywall. So excited about this, guys. It's so dope to see what's going on with everything. And side note, get an electric saw. Don't get a hand saw. Everything you see, yes, was all cut with a hand saw. Yeah. Hey guys, it's March, a little tired. So I've been cutting drywall all day and hanging drywall. I'm tired. Didn't record it because it's simple. Cut it, nail it, screw it. Screw it. So this is what we got so far. Oh, what? There we go. I hope I wasn't blurred. Yeah, it's the first time doing drywall, so had a lot of hiccups, a lot of bumps and bruises, but it's gonna be fine, guys. It's gonna totally be fine. And that's our one opening down there. Yeah. And then that's the other one. I got tired. I'll finish that one tomorrow or something. Oh, another thing I didn't take into consideration, I gotta take, you see me in the TV. I have to take all my cords and hide all my cords. So I gotta go get a 6-prong. That's about, maybe about 8 feet, because everything, once this is closed off, that's a wrap. I can't get to it. So I know my son has gaming systems he wants to hook to the TV and all that stuff. I want all that stuff to be accessible. So we're gonna hide it behind here. I'm gonna take this board right here and put this here. It's a little short, we ran out of space. Hi guys, what's up? It's Marja. So check us out. We got our fireplace in. You see where we are, okay? Had to make a little few adjustments, but it's in, and see what we got going. All right, guys, so what's going on now is I set the measurements. I measured everything. I built everything cool. One side is maybe off by like a ½ an inch. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these little wood blocks and we're gonna add them to the left side, and then we'll install it. All right, so I'll put the little diamonds or whatever things in there, and I'll come back and place the thing on there. Here you go. Let's take a look. This is it. I'm gonna leave the plastic on there until we finish getting all the stone up. What I haven't done yet is cut it on. So let's take a little look-see. Look, guys, okay, whew, this is a process. So the first thing, once the stone came in, is we had to lay the stone out. Lay the stone out, mix and match, because they all come in one color boxes. So that's all one color, that's all one color, so forth and so forth. And then you have to mix and match them. That was cool. It was like putting together a puzzle. It was fun. So what I've done is I've laid out the base layer. They say start on the corners. I just laid out the first base layer so that we can see, okay, how things are gonna go, how things are gonna look, until we're good. If we like the way it looks, then we'll add the adhesive on the back, and then we'll do that. So this is what we got so far. So that's how the base layer looks. Base layer, base layer, base layer. I like it. I'm gonna add the adhesive and we'll go further. Yeah, last thing, I forgot. Always make sure the first one is level. It's level. I can live with that. I can live with that. I can live with that. Yep, let's go. All right, guys, so I'm on the third row. All the way over, all the way that way. So I'm on this middle section. And for sake of time, I'm not gonna sit up here and go step by step. Nah, it takes too long. I will say this. These things are fragile. Do not drop them. I've already got, well, don't worry about it. Got a nice lot amount of cracked ones, but it's going to be okay. Everything is going to look good in the end. It's off. Ew. Dang it. Dang it. If it's off, you make your adjustments. I've got a toothpick here that I'm using as my leveler. If something is off a little bit, my adjuster, put my toothpick right on in there and it gets leveled. See? If you guys can see that toothpick right there. All right, I'll do the other part and I'll be back. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 4 rows, which is probably 5 rows because of the big side, but all the way around.
Lights, please.
What's up, guys? Marge here. If you have not noticed now, this is the outfit that we wear when we're working on the house. So, just a little update. I have completed the whole bottom part of the fireplace. A few things. Make sure you get yourself a cutter. Get a cutter, because I built this whole entire thing. What is that? Sorry. 3/4 of this thing I built with a handsaw. Don't do that. It'll take you forever. So go out and get yourself a handsaw. I'll show you the one that I have. They're not sponsoring this video, at least not right now. They aren't. But it was good. It's stone. It's real stone, so it cuts. I got a stone saw, so if you have that, you're good. And it also cuts wood. I haven't gotten to that because I've already built it. But yeah, but let's go over a few things. All right. First off, get yourself a saw. This is the saw that I got. It is an amazing Dremel. It cuts as soon as I put it. Yee! It does. So this is where we are. We are now in the process of painting this. We've already kind of drywalled it a little bit. We're going to go over with another set of drywall type of putty stuff in the corners right here, and so forth and so forth. Corners there. There's a nice texture here to kind of hide a lot of the blemishes that I have. But the stone is looking fabulous. I will say that. I ordered 3 cases. I ordered 2 regular cases and a case that has the corners to get rid of some of the, it does the corners. It only has like corner pieces. I will have to order 1 more case just so we can get to the top up here, across, and then on both sides. So it'll end up being a total of like 4 cases. At the end of this video, I'll have everything run down, how much everything costs. Realistically, everything was under $1,000. That includes the actual fireplace. That includes the wood framing. That includes the drywall, the screws, even including the drill. Drill was on sale. So all this whole setup, this whole built under $1,000, DIY. You can do it yourself. All right, let's go have some fun. What's up, everybody? This is Marge. I am back. Yes. It took some time, but hey, man. Hey. This stuff is expensive. It ain't cheap. But I did want to share with you our progress on the fireplace. When we left off last, we ran out of stone. So I bought another box. Guess what? That wasn't enough. So I got another box. It's on its way. It should be here in the next hour, couple hours, and then we'll finish it. But this is where we are so far. Woo! So this is where we are so far. Yay! Bam! That's what we've got left. So let me explain these down here. So these little pieces right here, we're gonna fill in with some stuff, but we need an anchor. We need some wood to kind of like level it and kind of anchor it to where it won't just slide down and fall in the open space down here. Same thing right here. So while we're waiting on the new stone to get in here, we're gonna, like this right here, see, we're just gonna go ahead and put that on there like that. That's what we're gonna do with that. Yeah, man, but this is an amazing project so far. It looks great. I'm very well pleased. It's super exciting. So we left off right here. This is where we left off. The one box I got did all this right here on both sides and on the side. So we're left with this right here at the top. And I do believe that the new box that we did, once we mix and match everything, we'll fill in all this stuff. Woo, go south. And then on the side as well right here. Yeah, man, this was a fun project. Took some time. The stone wasn't available. So once the stone did become available, it was cool. Super duper fun. A lot of work. Very tiring. But I can't wait to show you guys all the finished product. Yeah. Okay, so we're at the top part. Yay! Okay, so once again, you've seen me put the piece of wood up there and everything. That's just to help out with the screws and everything. Balance it a little bit. So, yeah, we'll put this down and you guys can watch me kind of place this next one, this next piece. Not really worried about this part right here. If you're looking at that, you're kind of crazy. You're looking from way back here. We are done. Well, but I say we because I feel like y'all's always been there with me. So I'm gonna do a few finishing touches, take off the wood and take the screws down, and we'll see what we got. Here's what we got so far. That has been anchoring everything. Take this wood down, take that wood down up there that's been anchoring the top part, and then take this down, and yeah, we'll be done. Got a few little things like to clean this little part up and everything like that. But if you ain't standing up under there, you don't see none of that. You stand from way back here and you see it. All right, so here we go. So, had a few technical difficulties yesterday. As the video showed, when I took this part down, this right here, it just said bloop bloop and failed. So we had to re-cement it and post it. It's been about, well over 12 hours now, so we'll see. Hopefully it's done. And yeah, see how the finished product looks. Thank you all. It's a heck of a project. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's amazing though. It's super duper dope. Yeah, so let's see how everything looks finished.